Hi, this is September 13th. This is on a Saturday. This is the rear entrance to my garage, and just wanted to give you a little bit of a shot of what it looked like. And you can see we have an old jail door over there from God knows where. Anyhow, this is a 750 pump that came off of this particular truck, and it's going to a gentleman that's coming in from Oregon tomorrow to pick it up. La Bestioni, and what have we done with La Bestioni? First, let's say hello to Andreas.
Hi, everybody.
Here you go. And Andreas today installed the gas tank, made all the bracketry and fitted it and did all of that stuff. Absolutely beautiful. You could pick the damn truck up with it. We this is the original seat with the original patina. We wanted to save that. And so we had Harold Osmore. He's our wood guy, and he did all the woodwork on that. And I installed it and finished it and put the tin back on the wood, which was fun. And there's our special little box to keep probably booze and beer and tools, we call them. Anyhow, we've made the patterns for the floorboards. That's all getting ready to go. It's telling us what it wants. And it didn't want the standard radiator that we usually do, so we're doing a very special radiator. This again, now this is a interesting thing. This is one of the original battery boxes, and we're going to leave it original. We cleaned it up and put all sorts of stuff on it. Anyhow, we're going to keep this as cool as we possibly can. It's going to be an old racer, and we're doing our own special radiator, and we'll probably be putting also an additional radiator into the rear with piping all the way along the sides on it here. Anyway, just wanted you to see it. This is where we work. This is our shop. We keep a couple of the beasts in here, and I'll slowly pan it around. These are some of the cars that we've done and had and finished. And anyhow, it's been a lovely day. It's cool. We love it, and we hope we're going to get a bunch more of them like this. So we will see you soon. La Bestioni number 8, the update.